Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. Heavenly Father, I thank you for another day. In Yahweh's name I pray, Lord. Amen. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another Crafty Vision segment. My name is Joyce McTeer, for those of you who don't know me. And I'm coming to you all today with another Crafty Vision segment. So today we're going to be making these, I'm going to say funky earrings. Okay, these earrings are different, unique, and will definitely be a statement piece to your earring collection. This is going to be a how to make video. I'm going to show y'all how to put this earring together. So here are the items that you will need in order to achieve the look. Okay, I'm going to tell y'all where I have everything. Please make sure you thumbs up this video so that this video can go into rotation. So I am going to start off with some fax cord. This is the cord that I'm using. This is a bundle, like it's really, really big. I got this from Amazon.com, okay? And you're going to need a lot of these, okay? You're gonna need about 13 pieces altogether. You're gonna need some of your suede cord cut 4 inches, 12 pieces, and then your last piece needs to be 13.5 inches. Now this piece here doesn't necessarily have to be 13.5 inches, okay? You can cut this about 10, maybe even 7 or 8 inches, okay? All right, but y'all know me, better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. You're going to need a nice size wood bead. Now, I bought this from the kit from Michaels, and then the kit that I purchased from Michaels had different sizes. Okay, they had different sizes. Now, I know Joann's Fabrics have these bigger than this. So if you wanted to, you could upsize it and make it bigger, or you can buy these, I got these from Michaels, but I purchased them in a variety pack. Okay, it was in one of those variety packs. All right, so you're gonna need this. This bead is at least about 20 millimeters. All right, now these disc or metal, silver round metals, I purchased these also from Michaels. They come in a pack and they come in multiple sizes. They have this size. I should have kept it out so I could show you all the actual sizes, but you're not going to be needing these for the sizes for this DIY. They come in this, and they also come in this size. Okay, so you get this size, you get this size, and you get this size, okay? And they will all come in a pack, okay? I got those from Michaels as well. You are going to need a fish hook. You're going to need a ruler to measure and cut out everything. And you're going to need some pony beads. This is optional. Your pony beads is optional. You don't necessarily have to use pony beads for this project. It's completely up to you. But I really wanted to give these earrings a really funky look, so I use these pony beads. If you don't have any pony beads, don't worry about it. You don't necessarily have to use it. So let's go ahead and finish this up. You want to need your round nose pliers, your wire cutters, and of course you already know your scissors. So the very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to start putting on our cord, okay, our suede cord. Move this over. And you're gonna start with the longest piece first, okay? You're gonna start off with your longest piece first. Now this longest piece, the reason why I'm putting this on first is because this is going to be like your point. Like, it's going to let you know when, you know, okay, that this is where you end. All right, so you put this piece on first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything that you see me do. I'm going to take it, the cord, take it through the front, okay? And then I'm going to make sure your ends, if at all possible, make sure your ends are even. They don't necessarily have to be, but you want to make sure that they are, okay? Don't panic if they're not. So the next thing you do is you want to pull this through. When you pull this through, this is what you're going to get. Once you pull it through, this right here, what you see, that's what you want. Y'all gonna have to excuse my fingernails, but that's what you want. You don't want it to be this way. You want it to be this way. Okay, I hope y'all can see that. Now what you're gonna do next is you're going to take and you're going to put some knots in it. So you got one knot, you're gonna put two knots in it, one knot, and then you're gonna put another knot in it. And you make the knots, you put the knots in it because you don't want it to come loose or off. Suede cord is very, very soft cord, okay? And that's what you're gonna have, all right? The next thing you wanna do is you wanna take each individual piece, okay? And you're going to do the same thing to each individual piece. You're gonna take it through the front. You wanna make sure that they are the same size. You're gonna pull it through, just like this, pull it, and just bring it close to this piece here. And you're going to tie this just like you did the first piece. You're going to tie it twice. So that's one, okay, and then two. Just like that. So that's what you're going to have, okay? Now I'm gonna do my next piece. And for the sake of the video, take it through the front, take it through like this, pull it through, just making sure that it's nice and tight. And then you're going to tie it twice. You're going to put two knots in it. And this is going to, as you notice, once you start doing this, you'll notice how your earring is looking different. It's going to start looking different. Okay. So that's what you're gonna have, if you can see that. All right, so for the sake of the video, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add these on so we can get to the next part of our earring. So I'm gonna go do that and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so we made it through the first part. So let me count these just to make sure that it was 12, including this one, which makes 13. So that's, I'm gonna start on this side. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, yes. So, all right, so this is what your earring is looking like so far. This is what it should look like, okay? And then we're gonna take our bead and we're gonna add our bead on next. So you wanna take your two pieces, put them together, and slide it down on your bead, just like this, okay? And that's what you're gonna have next. And then you're gonna take your wire, okay? And you're gonna put your wire in between these two pieces, okay? So you just wanna slide it down just like this, and it's gonna be in between these two pieces, all right? Okay, you wanna try to face it towards the front of your bead that you have here, and then we're going to tie this, and we're going to tie this twice. So be careful when you are tying it, okay? Try not to tie it too tight that you pop it, because if you pop it, then you're gonna have to take it off, cut another piece, and put it back on. All right, so we're gonna tie this twice. All right, and then once you tie it twice, if you do it correctly, your knot is going to be in the back of this. So your knot is going to be in the back, okay? This is going to be the front of your earring. And then, like I said before, if you want to, you don't have to, you can add on these pony beads, or if you have some wooden beads, you can put your wooden beads on, and you want to tie this twice because you want your beads to stay in place, because the pony beads, the hole is a nice size. Wait a minute. So you just want to tie it, like I said, twice to keep your pony beads in place. Okay, just like that. And then they'll hang down. All right, they'll hang down, and then you go on this side and do the same for this side here. Okay, tie a knot. That's one knot. And then another knot. Pull it down like that. And then your pony beads, like I said, and even if one side is longer than the other, it gives the earring a different look. And then all you want to do is take your fish hook and you add your fish hook on, just like this. Close it up. Alrighty. Now these I make my own fish hooks most of the time. Sometimes when I do use sterling silver, I buy those, but if I have sterling silver wire, I will make and create my own fish hooks. And then you wind up having yourself a gorgeous pair of funky, look at these. These are so much fun. Now, the thing about being able to make your own jewelry is that it's going to make you stand out from everything else that's going on. These are conversation pieces. I guarantee you, if you make these, you wear them, somebody is going to ask you where you purchased them. If somebody asks you where you purchased them and you say, I made them, please let them know where you got the idea. Let them know to come to Joyce McTeal or Georgia Creations here on YouTube. All right. So with that being said, y'all go and make plenty, plenty, plenty. I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me for these videos. Don't forget to please make sure you thumbs up the video so that this video can go into rotation. Thank you to my new supporters and my loyal supporters. I greatly appreciate y'all for coming back and continuing to watch these videos. So with that being said, y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. And until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.